Hi there! Today we have in the house the newly launched Noise Buds Solo. You know what's exciting about this one? The design is absolutely identical to the Apple Airpods Pro, and it has active noise cancelling and transparency mode, and it costs just 1/4 the price. Wow, that looks really promising. So let's unbox it, check it out. But before we begin, make sure you subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you get notified when new videos are uploaded. This is your friend Singh. Let's get started. So here is the retail packaging. You can see the picture of the earbuds and the name written on the top, Buds Solo. Right here at the bottom, it mentions ANC Bluetooth earphones. Here it's mentioned designed in India. On the other side, music every day. Right here you can see some manufacturing details and the MRP, and the MRP is 9,999. But you can get this at an introductory price of just 4,999. Behind here are some of the features: hybrid ANC, triple mic system, transparency mode, hypertime sync, 36-hour playtime, and in-ear detection. This is the gold color. It's available in another 3 or 4 colors. I'll share the details. So let's unbox it. Okay. Wow, looks stunning. I'm already impressed. So premium. They look premium. You have a couple of earbuds. You get the USB-C charging cable and some paperwork, which are some user manual and a 200 rupee discount coupon which you can use for your next noise product. Alright, so let's have a closer look at the earbuds. Now this is a gold color variant and it has a beige color with a glossy ring all around. The casing is made of plastic and feels really soft in the hand. Loving the matte finish. You can see the Noise logo at the bottom. Towards the back is the Noise branding along with Buds Solo and charging case capacity of 600 mAh battery. At the bottom is the USB-C charging port, 4 LED lights that show you the battery remaining on the case, and a pairing button. The LED at the bottom is a nice design touch. Also, even with 600 mAh battery, the Buds Solo weighs just 48 grams. FYI, the Airpods Pro also weigh 46 grams. Let's open the lid. So the lid has a really smooth hinge. It also has a really nice snap sound. Thanks to the golden ring design, you can actually open the lid even with one hand. Really convenient. So inside you can see the earbuds. It has the same beige color with a golden ring. Let's remove it. Oh, it has the golden ring design at the bottom of the stem too. So it's a hybrid design, bud and stem. Even the ear tips are color coordinated. Wow, these look absolutely identical to the Airpods Pro, and with that matte finish, they look even better. Below here are the charging terminals. This black thing you can see is the proximity sensor. Now each earbuds come with 3 mics. One here at the bottom, one at the back, and one here near the buds. Now this helps for 3 things. Firstly, ANC. Secondly, transparency. And finally, for phone calls. Now these earbuds look really nice. The design, though not new, clearly inspired from the Apple Airpods Pro, but the quality is truly remarkable. One of the best built earbuds I've seen from Noise. Kudos. The pairing was super simple. Open the lid and press the pairing button at the bottom. Hold it for a few seconds. Search for Bluetooth on your phone Bluetooth settings, and Buds Solo should pop up. Click and you're done. Alright, coming to the fit. Well, let's wear them. Yeah, now you know why I'm wearing a cap, because earbuds. Okay, so the moment I put them in, you hear a soft beep sound which tells you that now they are in your ears, and that's because they come with proximity sensor. What actually it does is that it will pause the music when you remove it from your ear, and it will resume play when you put them back in your ear. Now I've tested this a couple of times and they worked perfectly fine. Coming back to the fit. Now they snug in really well and provide a very good fit. Also actually because of that stem design, they don't pop out too much, and the weight distribution is also much better. They create a good seal, and I've worn them for a couple of hours straight without any problem. The fit is really good and they aren't going to fall off, so clearly you can wear them to the gym or even for your run. They're also really light, you can barely feel them. They weigh 4.5 grams each, which is lighter than the Apple Airpods Pro earbuds also. Amazing. Alright, coming to sound quality. So what do you expect? Very good, just good, okay, or bad? Well, this stays somewhere between very good and good. They get loud but not too loud, and even at full volume there is no distortion at all. The bass is very well balanced along with mids and highs, the kind of music profile I actually personally prefer. I know, bass heads want to know how's the bass. Well, it's actually quite good. Thump is there where it's needed and softer when you lower the volume. It's very nicely tuned. The mids and highs are clean and they all shine even more with ANC turned on. With noise cancelling turned on, the clarity is even better. And that's the whole point of cancelling all the ambient sound so that you can enjoy clean, crisp music. ANC does a really fine job. We also get transparency mode, which, to simply put it, is the opposite of noise cancelling. Basically, it amplifies your surrounding sound so you are able to have some situational awareness when you're wearing these earphones. Simply put it, ideal when you're wearing it when you're walking on a busy street to know your surroundings. Now, using ANC and transparency mode will take a toll on your battery life. When both are turned off, you get about 7 hours on a single charge at 70% volume. With ANC turned on, you get about 5. And that is actually really good. The case can charge the earbuds about 4 times and it takes 1.5 hours for the earbuds to be charged in the case. The case's battery when depleted takes about 2 hours to fully charge. Now those are really promising numbers. How did they do in real life? Well, I've been using them for about 2 days and I got about 4 hours with ANC on. Not bad at all. Now, coming to the tap gestures. Well, they actually responded pretty well. You also hear a tap sound when you tap on them so that you know that you have tapped them on the right place. Noise has literally everything covered. Now, single tap to increase or decrease the volume, double tap to pause and play, triple tap for previous track, next track, double tap and hold on the left one to enable voice assistant, and my favorite one, press and hold the right earbud for 2 seconds to enable ANC mode. It will also tell you that ANC mode is turned on. Press it again for 2 seconds and it will enter transparency mode. Press it again and hold it and it will toggle back to the basic mode. Simple. Everything sorted on a tap. Now I'm not sure if these come with low latency mode, but I did briefly test them while gaming and I actually didn't feel any lag at all. No noticeable delay in my gaming experience. Also, while watching videos, lip sync was spot on, so actually you can use them to watch movies as well. Trust me, it's a good experience. Coming to the call quality, well, one word, brilliant. You know, when earbuds have 3 mics on them, the call quality is going to be good, especially cancelling background sound so the caller can hear you clearly. Use them indoors and outdoors and the caller didn't know I wasn't even using my phone. Also, yes, you can wear either of them for phone calls. You can answer calls by tapping once, you can reject a call by double tapping, or you can tap and hold to silent the ringer. Probably the only thing I truly missed on the Buds Solo is app support. Now imagine controlling ANC and transparency mode from an app. Imagine custom equalizer option. Man, that would have been like a cherry on the cake. But I'm just nitpicking. Let's not forget, for the price, expecting that would be too much to ask for. So let's see what works for the Buds Solo. Very good sound quality, impressive build, it looks premium, ear detection, excellent phone call quality, ANC and good battery life. All the things we look for in TWS earphones, and more importantly, very well priced. You can get the Buds Solo at an introductory price of just $4,999. Yes, under $5,000. Remember I said 1/4 the price of Apple Airpods Pro? Now this is an introductory price. In a few days this will go up to $5,999. So my suggestion is grab one right away. It's available in 4 colors, black, gold, green and blue. I will leave the links for all in the description. It's going on sale on 24th of February on Amazon, Flipkart and the Noise website. AirPods Pro experience chahiye for just 5,000 rupees. It's a total steal. I'll leave the links in the description. I think I've said that before. You should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, feedbacks or even complaints, mention it down in the comments. All are welcome. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.